up. Oh, which one? One of the Palmer lift.
Palmer?
Oh,
is open,
yeah, last weekend. So I'm thinking they may have it open again this weekend. I think so.
What did they get? Like a foot of snow, right?
Yeah, they both did pretty well at the system. They both got around a foot. It's very exciting to see, right?
It's that
I can't wait. I'm sneaking up there tomorrow morning. I'll just go ahead and tell you that right now.
What's this here?
This is beautiful. So one of our viewers, Sean DeLong, sent this in. This is over from Dundee, and he was just saying it looked so cool when we got kind of that wintry mix, how it ended up on some of the trees there. And then he said today it looked even better because he just looked out into the sunshine, the clouds were all gone, then all this was melting, so it looked like it was raining in the sun. I thought that was kind of cool. So thanks so much, Sean, for sending in that pretty pictures. We love getting your pictures, and please send us more. We love it. Taking a look out there right now, the cold is settling back in, and it's not just for us here in Oregon, but it is for much of the country. You can see it trickling on down through the Midwest and even parts of the South and back to the East too. And we're going to continue to see this cold air mass stick with us, so don't expect it to warm up anytime soon. This reinforcing shot already pushing in as we speak, the reinforcing cold, and that is going to continue to bring in temperatures well below average through the weekend and even into early next week. So fast forwarding it a bit, and as we go towards Monday, it does start to lose a little bit of its grip on us, but we're still talking highs in the 40s and lows down around the freezing mark. Once we get closer to Wednesday, that's Tuesday, Wednesday, it starts to pull out of here. And I'm not showing you the rain or the cloud forecast because at this point, we're just going to be looking at sunny days ahead. We may see a few extra clouds early as the system brings in just as a disturbance for some rain along the coast. But our first rain not getting here in Portland until Wednesday, and then we'll start to see that transition to a little bit of a wetter pattern toward the end of next week, and then we'll try to warm it up a little bit as well. Closer to where we should be for this time of the year. Not a big warm up by any means. Here's a look at Bend downtown, just beautiful out that way. You can still see a lot of snow on the ground. They picked up a good solid 4 inches. Some areas near there picking up a bit more. Sisters picked up 13 inches, and then you get up toward White Salmon, Washington, 15 inches of snow fell there. Hood River picking up 7 or 8 inches, and Pendleton yesterday had record snow for the day at 3.7 inches, a total of 4 inches. Satellite and radar, the sun's going down, so it's tough to see here, or this is just a satellite composite, I should say. But take a look at that, and this is from earlier this afternoon at 3:19. There's cloud cover down here, but once you get north of Bend, the white that you see there, all snow on the ground. That's what you could see from space earlier today. That was pretty cool, and these clouds that are down there, down across southern portions of Oregon, that's going to get out of here. So we're going to see a lot of sunshine, not any cloud cover to talk about for the weekend. So the coastal area is looking great too. But the chill staying around 34 degrees right now. Will continue to drop from here. Low 30s through 9 o'clock, starting to dip down into the 20s by 11 p.m. And even coastal areas getting down to the freezing mark tonight. Then sunshine to warm us up a little bit tomorrow, but it'll be chilly. Highs in the 40s. Right along I-5, we'll start off in the 20s. Highs in the low to mid 40s, sunny and breezy. Expect a repeat on Sunday. Central and eastern Oregon, take a look at the numbers. We'll struggle to get out of the low to mid 20s tomorrow with that snow on the ground, so expect the icebox effect again for the weekend. And then your forecast for the Cascades, highs in the 20s, low 30s out through the gorge with the snow on the ground there. So a lot of that ice and snow not melting away. It'll take until early next week to really thaw out. And then for the metro area, we're going to stay quite chilly too. Low 40s Saturday and Sunday, lows both tonight, tomorrow night, and Sunday night, dipping down into the 20s. And then it gets a little milder next week, and then the rain finally by Wednesday. It's supposed to be our wettest month of the year, but right now we are in a very long dry stretch.
Now, when we get down into the 20s at night, that's where you really have to take the hose off the hose bib and really make sure that your faucets are protected.
You're exactly right, because we've been just teetering around freezing. This is going to be a hard freeze. So take all precautions.
Yeah, like 10 degrees colder than what we've had.
Absolutely.
All right. Thanks, Kristen.